Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best action camera chest mount available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Techcam chest mount. This action camera chest mount is an excellent accessory for anyone who wants stable, immersive first-person footage during outdoor adventures. Its broad compatibility with popular action cameras, including GoPro, DJI Osmo Action, Insta360, and many other brands, makes it a versatile choice without requiring brand-specific gear. The fully adjustable chest and shoulder straps provide a secure, comfortable fit for a wide range of body sizes, even over bulky winter jackets, ensuring reliable performance in every season. Whether you're skiing, mountain biking, motorcycling, paddleboarding, snorkeling, horseback riding, or traveling, the harness keeps your camera firmly positioned for smooth, hands-free recording. The chest-level perspective naturally captures your movements, equipment, and surroundings, creating engaging, realistic footage with minimal shake. Durable, easy to wear, and designed for high-energy activities, this chest harness delivers dependable stability and comfort, making it an essential accessory for action camera users who want professional-looking POV videos. Next up, we have Same-Top chest mount. This upgraded action camera chest mount delivers an outstanding balance of comfort, stability, and practicality for capturing immersive first-person footage. Its padded chest panel and breathable, lightweight materials provide exceptional comfort, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures without causing pressure or fatigue. The fully adjustable harness accommodates a wide variety of body sizes and fits securely over heavy winter jackets, ensuring year-round versatility. A well-designed quick-release buckle allows fast and effortless wearing or removal, even while wearing gloves, while the secure locking system keeps the mount firmly in place during intense movement. The enhanced stabilization design minimizes unwanted camera shake, resulting in smoother, more professional-looking videos and photos across activities such as hiking, skiing, cycling, motorcycling, and other action sports. Combining durability, user-friendly features, and reliable performance, this chest mount is an excellent choice for creators and adventure enthusiasts seeking stable, hands-free recording with maximum comfort throughout the day. And at number 3, Tesrock chest mount. This action camera chest mount is thoughtfully designed to provide exceptional comfort, secure stability, and everyday practicality for adventure enthusiasts and content creators. The padded, breathable construction with ventilated mesh panels promotes continuous airflow, reducing sweat buildup and ensuring lasting comfort during long cycling sessions, motocross rides, hiking trips, or tropical adventures. Weighing only 6.6 ounces, the lightweight yet durable design minimizes fatigue while reinforced chest plate edges prevent sagging, even when supporting heavier action cameras. Fully adjustable shoulder and waist straps deliver a snug, personalized fit for different body types and easily accommodate bulky winter jackets without compromising stability. The innovative quick-release buckle system allows fast attachment, removal, and gear changes, even while wearing gloves, making it especially useful during skiing, snowboarding, skateboarding, and other fast-paced activities. By combining ergonomic comfort, dependable support, and effortless usability, this chest harness offers a reliable hands-free filming solution that consistently captures smooth, immersive first-person footage in demanding environments. Now at number 4, Vohu chest mount. This universal action camera accessory bundle is a comprehensive solution for capturing professional quality footage across a wide range of outdoor adventures. Designed to fit GoPro, Insta360, SJCAM, Dragon Touch, and many other action camera brands, it offers outstanding versatility for both beginners and experienced creators. The adjustable head strap and chest harness provide secure, comfortable mounting for immersive first-person perspectives, ensuring stable recording during skiing, hiking, cycling, skating, swimming, diving, and other high-energy activities. The included extendable selfie stick with tripod adapter and adjustable ball head expands your shooting possibilities, making it easy to capture selfies, group photos, and creative angles with action cameras or compatible compact cameras. Fully adjustable straps accommodate different body sizes for a secure fit, while durable mounting hardware keeps your camera firmly in place. Combining flexibility, stability, and convenience in one complete kit, this bundle delivers exceptional value for anyone looking to enhance their action camera experience with reliable, hands-free recording options. And finally, our last pick, CanF Concept chest mount. The CanF Concept Complete Mount Kit is a versatile, well-designed accessory package that gives content creators everything needed to capture immersive first-person footage across a wide variety of activities. Compatible with GoPro, DJI Osmo, Insta360 cameras, and most smartphones using the included adjustable phone clip, it offers impressive flexibility for both action filming and mobile content creation. The quick-release mounting system makes switching between the chest mount, head strap, wrist strap, and backpack clip fast and effortless, allowing you to adapt instantly to different shooting scenarios without interrupting your workflow. Each mount features a 360-degree adjustable design, making it easy to find the perfect recording angle for vlogging, cycling, hiking, fishing, cooking, climbing, and travel. Built with comfort, durability, and convenience in mind, the kit ensures stable, hands-free recording while maintaining a secure fit throughout extended use. Its comprehensive range of accessories makes it an outstanding all-in-one solution for creators seeking professional quality footage with maximum versatility. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.